Sorry about the wait. Here's your season tickets.
Honey, it's okay. Hey, you're back. How was the movie?
It was great. How was she?
Oh, she's fantastic.
How much do I owe you?
That'll be 22.
All right.
Thank you. Beautiful.
And do you need a ride home tonight?
No, I rode my bike. Thanks.
All right, great. Thanks.
Okay.
You
Bye,
ready
Hadley.
to go home, honey?
See ya. Stop in anytime. Tell your friends too.
All right, I
We're
will.
full service here.
Great, thanks.
Thank you. Come again. Hey, kid. What's going on?
Nothing.
All right. You're lucky you're a season ticket holder.